Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate a simple neural network built in Python using TensorFlow and Keras. We will teach the network to learn a linear function y equal to 2x plus 3 and make prediction for given inputs. You will see how to create a dataset, build and train a network, make prediction and visualize the result. Let's start by importing the libraries we need. Here we are importing TensorFlow and Keras to build and train the neural network. NumPy will help us work with numbers and Pandas for showing data in tables and Matplotlib for visualizing results. Now we create the data set. Here x contain value from 0 to 9. Y is calculated using the formula y equal to 2x plus 3. Here x is our input and y is the output that depend on x. It's a straight line relationship, so if the model learns correctly, it should discover the same slope and intercept on its own. You can see the output. Now we build the neural network. Since the function is linear, we only need a single input neuron and a single output neuron. We use linear activation because our target function is linear. No hidden layers are needed for this simple task. In this, show our simplest neural network just on dense layer with two parameters of weight and bias. Together they learn the equation. The model connect on input to on output formatting. The simplest type of neural network or linear regression model. Before we train the model, we need to compile it. Now let's train the model on our data. During training, the model will try to minimize the loss. Basically, it's learn the baseline that fits our data. Now you can see the loss and error values are going down. That means the model is learning correctly. After training, we will test the model by predicting y for each x and compare it to the actual value. Y column is our real data from the formula and predict y is what the neural network learned. Let's visualize our result on a graph. We will plot both the actual line and the predict line to see how closely they match. This is a very simple example. It demonstrates the entire process of building, training and evaluating a neural network model from scratch. In this, the blue line shows the actual value and the red line shows the model prediction. Both lines overlap closely. It means our neural network learned the pattern perfectly.